Troubleshooting guide for electric ovens. If the oven works, it just doesn't work right, producing little heat, the problem is likely not the element but another connected part. First, check the oven door. The gasket surrounding the door must seal in the heat to maintain temperature. If you notice rips, tears or missing portions, this may explain the problem. Here are some further tips and checks for electric ovens. Go and check if the main power supply is turned on at the fuse or meter box. Please check your meter box to ensure that the switches are turned on and functioning. Please contact our office if your safety switch is tripping when you use the oven and or stove. Check if there is a separate power switch for the oven or stove. Please check if there is a power point or switch specific for your oven or stove. These can be located on the wall in the kitchen or in cupboards. Try turning the timer function on, as some models will require the timer to be on when the oven is in use. Check the oven control knobs. Some have separate cycle and temperature knobs. Others combine these functions in one knob. Either way, are they set properly? Have you recently removed the knob, perhaps to clean the oven? If the knob was pulled off, it may not be aligned properly. Try pulling the knob off again and repositioning it for a quick, easy fix. Does your element work? Since the element at the top of the oven is separate from the bake element at the bottom of the oven, if one works and the other doesn't, you know the problem is either in the element or in the receptacle block which it plugs into. Start by wiggling the element to see if it was simply loose. If this does not rectify the problem, contact your property manager for further solutions.